All right, what's going on, guys? Tremaine here. We're going to do a quick Asia trade breakdown over last night, Wednesday, October 30th, 2024. So, starting off, our current new day opening gap is here. Closing price with yesterday's trading at 4:59 p.m. Opening price at 6 p.m. here. That is your new day opening gap. Okay, gap lower, trading up into about consequent encroachment, selling off. Relative equal highs here. Initial sell side, which is your lowest low between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. is here. Initial buy side is all the way up here. Okay, we have a small little swing high at 601, but that's being a little demanding of price. So my main focus was these equal highs up here, the most obvious buy side right here. So in a way, I'm using this high as my initial buy side because this is a little bit overzealous. So initial sell side, initial buy side. What are the rules for Asia? Clear out initial sell side. What are we looking for? A repricing back into buy side and or your current new day or new week opening gap. So here's your time window for Asia, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Initial sell side cleared. It is also relative equal lows. So we have really like a triple bottom, this low here, this low here, and this low here. Way too smooth, way too clean. And if I take off this old new week opening gap, which is what this rectangle is down here, you can see we have an old daily low. Okay, previous days high and lows for the last 3 days, previous weeks high and low for the last 3 weeks. Those are really influential levels. Okay, those are old pools of liquidity. Okay, you want to have that price level on your chart. So not only are we dropping into our initial sell side, relative equal lows, not only are we trading into an old daily low, which is a liquidity pool in itself, but we're also trading down into an old new week opening gap. Okay, so a lot of factors to look for as far as considering higher prices. Okay, at this point in time, I'm just waiting for obvious displacement. Okay, after taking out initial sell side, my focus is up here and the new day opening gap. Now, if you notice, 750, if I can get my arrow on here, 750 to 810 is your macro during Asia. Right about there. So we drop down, clearing the liquidity. Okay, equal lows here. Sweeping that one more time. Rally up. Breakaway gap. Also a balanced price range. Single pass down. Single pass up. Okay, all of that is balanced. This is all occurring during that 20-minute window, that macro. Okay, trading up. And let's slap on the executions. Live account executions. Okay, buying the high of the fair value gap here. I was out eating sushi with Miss Lady, so I was managing this trade on my phone. I would have got in on this candle right here as soon as it traded down to the fair value gap. Got in a little late, no big deal. Buying the high of the fair value gap. Stop loss below consequent encroachment of the breakaway gap. Okay, you want to see this stay open or at least the lower half. So I'm not expecting price to trade to the lower half of this inefficiency. For one, it's a balanced price range. It's already been efficiently delivered. And two, breakaway gap should stay open or at least the lower half. So buying it here, stop loss just below midpoint of this fair value gap. Okay, I sent out in the Discord my initial take profit was the low of the new day opening gap, which was about $1,000. And I sent out I'm either holding for $1,000 or nothing. But I was like, you know what? We have buy side up here, pretty obvious, and the new day opening gap is a pretty nice distance away. So settling for an exit here. Okay, I'm taking this trade on my phone while I'm out sitting at the dinner table, so not the best exit above the high, but nonetheless, that's the logic behind it. And that was your trade for Asia. Initial sell side taken, clean market structure shift above this high, or you can use this high, no different. Fair value gap entry, breakaway gap staying open, fair value gap staying open. Okay, trading into old daily liquidity and trading down into an old new week opening gap. So that's your bread and butter setup for Asia. Pretty simple, clockwork. Okay, another thing you could have done was buy the fair value gap. Take a partial here if you have multiple contracts on. See if you can get the low of the new day opening gap as a partial. And then your true initial buy side, which is your highest high between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m., comes in here at this 601 candle there. All right, but me, I was content, especially given the market conditions that we're trading in. Not trying to be overzealous, not trying to be greedy. Get in, get out. That's a nice trade right there. So that is Asia. If you have any questions, message me in Discord, Instagram, however you got to get to me, leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. Full access members, we're back live trading November 12th, so we got a while. And remember, private mentorship drops Friday, November 1st at 4 p.m. I'll see you all in the market tomorrow morning at 9:30. All right, peace.